Advanced Perl Programming is a 1997 book by Sriram Srinivasan, which covers complex techniques needed in production-level Perl. The second edition, by Simon Cousins and edited by Alison Randall, was published in 2005. It contains a different set of high-level programming techniques intended for practical use, and is described at www.o'reilly.com. Related books include Programming Perl, Perl Cookbook, and Perl Hacks. Reception. Charles Stross called Advanced Perl Programming's sections on networking and object-oriented programming well-nigh indispensable. Eric S. Raymond called Sriram Srinivasan's commentary on the Perl language uniformly intelligent, incisive and tasteful. Donald Bryson of Network Computing magazine called the book full of useful information, well-written, beautifully set, and technically accurate. Online catalog. Advanced Perl Programming. First edition. Chapter 1 as well as the complete set of code examples in the book.